What's up, YouTube? Doing a CDF drum here in my 2019 F150. I'm just going to do a short little video here. Once you get the trans out, get your pan off. Your next step here is going to be pull this pipe. One bolt goes into this aux pump. It's over here on the right side. Take your 3 T30s for that aux pump off. Pull the 2 bolts for this filter, and then pull all the bolts out for the valve body. There is an arrow for them, with the exception of the one by this connector, I think. Just pull all those out, comes right off. You should have 3 or 4 bolts for your actual gear-driven pump now. Inspect the gear and on the pump once you get that off. And then there's 4 sensors. I think you only had to undo 3, but I did 4. There's 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and they're in the holes right there. Right there. The bolts will stay in the harness, or in the sensor. Take those out, and then pretty much your next step here is to remove all the pump bolts. Well, not really pump anymore, but remove those bolts, and then you gotta pry it here kind of carefully without damaging anything. Get that loose, and then you gotta grab the whole drum assembly and pull that out. Alright, we got the assembly out. This one came out easier than the last one. Pried that out, it pops out. Only thing holding it's the seal. Once you get the bolts out, then you can pull either this clutch pack and plates. You can either pull them out, try to pull them out separately, or just they'll be sitting on here. Pull the entire thing out. It is quite heavy, so eat your Wheaties. And then I popped this shim out that was in down there because I've dropped it before. So I got that set back. And then we got the bearing side is down. This little shim piece comes off like a spacer. That side goes up, which will be towards the front of the trans. And then at this point, all we got is a snap ring here for the next step to pull this can off. I do have a new can. It does say the line leads up, little barcodes, or you can have a vibration, is what all that instructions show. The new can just changed part numbers, which the old one, this is the last one, got a drum, a hub, and trash can. The new one is black, kind of like it looks to be anodized maybe, but once I get this apart, I'll kind of look at them both and see. So this just takes the snap ring, falls out. There's a bearing that's still stuck in the bottom of that. Oh no, it's right there already. And then there's another one on the inside of the can. You'll see. That's the main things to remember that you could easily drop. Alright, here's one of the number 1 issues with the 10R80. See those grooves, those 4 slots there? Those aren't supposed to be there. This one only has 39,000 miles on it. That's the F clutch hitting into the trash can there. I've got another one over there that's worse. About double the mileage, but we'll see if the new improved part maybe has anything to do with that, help that out.